Hello everyone and welcome you back to my YouTube channel. On today's video we are going to be cutting a raptor with a bell sleeve. I welcome you once again. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I post a new video. For today's tutorial we are going to begin by marking our total crop length, which is 16. Then I added 1 inch for seam allowance, and that is what I'm marking out. After that, I proceed to mark my back measurement. My back measurement divided by 2, and that is 8 inches. And I proceed to mark my bust measurement as well. I can only get that if I mark out my bust point and then I'm going to be placing my bust measurement. But before that, let's cut it out so that we can see it clearly. My bust divided by 4 plus 2-inch allowance. If your fabric is not stretchy, you can just also add 2-inch allowance, and if it is stretchy you can just go ahead and add just 1-inch allowance or 2 if you want. Then to my waist measurement as well, my waist divided by 4 plus 2-inch allowance, and I join it together like this. In order to get my armhole area, I come down by 7.5 inches and I roll it like that. The fabric is stretchy, so I need to make the chalk visible, so that is why I'm just trying to make it visible. Then I cuff it like this in order to get my armhole area. If your fabric is not stretchy, then it will be very easy for you than mine. Then let's cut that out. For the neck parts, I go in for the width, I go in by 3 inches. Then for the depth, I just go in by just 1 inch because the back is not low at all. And I'm going to join it together like so. And I'm going to cut it. After I'm done doing this, I went ahead to mark my slope area, which I come down by 1 inches, and I cut it like that. Please guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. In order to get this part, you need to fold all your fabric into 2 for us to be able to use the depth side. So this is the back part that I cut out, and I place it on my folded fabric like that, and I mark out the neck area like so. After you are done doing that, go ahead to mark like 4 inches like that, like the way you are seeing in the video. Then from my neckline, I'm going to be creating a slant towards that 4 inches like this to meet that down part. These 4 inches I will put forward is just for us to demarcate our wrap top. After I'm done doing that, because I won't be joining the bed separately, I'll be cutting it all together. Then what I will do is I'll just cuff it like this and roll it down straight. Remember, I folded the old wideness of my fabric in order to get that long belt, so I'll just roll it down to my satisfaction in order to get it. After I'm satisfied with how long it is, and I'm going to cut. Just make sure you shape it very well so that it won't have any funny shape after cutting. Slant it to the neck area side and you're going to get a perfect shape. Then cut it out. Then this is what we got. We are done for the body. Then moving to the sleeve area, you're just going to slant your fabric like this, the way I did it in the video. Then from that down part, you're going to measure your total sleeve length, which might, you can go ahead and measure yourself where you want the length to reach. Make sure that you place your tape rule like the way I'm doing mine in the video. With that, you're going to get a perfect shape for the sleeve. Then what I'm rolling out, that is a starting point where I'm going to be placing the armhole area. Moving downward, that side, measure the width, measure the wideness. If you're okay with it, then just roll it up like that. Your armhole area, your bust divided by 4 plus 1.5 inch allowance, and you're going to get your total armhole, what your armhole should be, your armhole size, what it should be. Join the line together, then let's cut. I'll have to cut it out because my fabric is stretchy before I will just shape it very well. At that side, I'm going to measure my round sleeve so that it will be a bit tight over there, not too tight, but at least it will be smart. Then I'm going to roll that line downward. If you want your own to be wide at that side, you can just leave it after you've gotten your armhole. But mine, I just want that side to be a bit tight, and that is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give it a shape. After I've gotten what I want, I go ahead to cut out the second sleeve, and this is what it looks like, looking nice and neat. You can also use a bridal material for this particular style, and it's going to come out nice. You can also use a lycra material as well, and it will come out nice also. Moving to the joining part, go ahead and join the shoulder to each other. At that side, just take in your allowance you added. Then for the other one, from that point, take the allowance you added. Then when you reach that spot that I placed my hand on, you are going to leave about 1.5 inches in order to pass the hole, and our wrap top is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.